the bird of prey again. So crackling electrics makes a change from traffic noise. There's chickle over there in the distance. It's getting rather overgrown. I don't know if I'll be able to get through. So I've just come through. This is beautiful. I've just been watching Lost. I feel like as if I'm traipsing through the jungle. He's come out in another field. There's a police station over there. Southill over that side. The path carries on. A few stinging nettles, but so far so good. Which is open, it comes out onto the substation road. Just down that way is Wessex Gold from the police station. The path turned into a thistle walk, and I have crop trousers on, so I am not going that way. Down. Just spotted there's another path this way, so I'll go and have a nosy. So it's sort of petered out, and I don't want to walk on any nesting wildlife, so I'm going to go back the other way. Bird of prey. Where I've just come from, there is another path that way, and that way. I'm going to explore that another day though. So I'm going back through the fence. Field at Southill where I started, and the little bike trail place, and that's where I went. This is the entrance to the fields, just at the end of Sutcliffe Avenue in Southill, at the top of the hill.